Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to iPhone photography, how to capture stunning photos like a pro. I will just give you some tips. I will be on my iPhone and I will just go in the settings, and from here I will just find it like a camera. So from here make sure you will just record video. I will just select it, and you will just set the format of high efficiency, which is 4K at 60 fps, and you will just tap on it to set it and go back. And if you just want to your slow-mo is high efficiency, you will also just select it on this 1080p HD. And if I just scroll down and make sure you will just turn it on for the front camera, high resolution photos for mirror front camera, turn it on. And photo capture, you will just turn it on. Scene detection and prioritized faster shooting, you will just turn it on. And lens correction, turn it on. Smart HDR, turn it on. So in this way you will just capture stunning photos like a pro on iPhone. And make sure you will just clean the lens. So always clean your lens with the microfiber cloth to avoid smudge. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.